Hi friends. So on the screen, as you can see, Gobind Bhog rice. This is a very interesting rice. I'll tell you why. Because I think this is only one rice in the non-basmati category, which is the shortest grain rice, right? If you can see here, I think the the grain length would be somewhere between, I think, 2 mm or 2.5 max 3 mm, I think, right? This is from Burdwan in West Bengal, a place very close to Kolkata. Very fine grain, very premium grain, right? This is even more premium than kolam rice, because if kolam rice is selling at right around 45 rupees a kg ex mill, this is one such rice which sells at 70 rupees a kg, almost equal to basmati. Wow, so it's as same as basmati. 1121 basmati is, I think, even cheaper sometimes than this, 65 rupees a kg, 65,000 rupees per ton ex mill, right? So this is something which is 65 to 70 per kg, which is I think almost premium than 1121 basmati, right? Again, already small grain, so you can't find much brokens in this. This is expected to be also a aromatic grain. When you cook, you will have a very pleasant smell coming out of this. This grain also sells as old crop and new crop. New crop is more whiter than old crop. Mostly sold as raw. Nobody does steam and parboil for this. And very particular or very small niche market. Some people who know this rice only buy. I don't know if it's right. In Tamil Nadu and in some parts of Karnataka, I think there is something called as Ambur biryani. I think this is the grain that goes into this kind of a biryani. Very short grain. You can see here it's such a small grain. Well, you cannot see much of any what do you call discolored grain, damaged grain. What you see on your screen is old crop. You can see that some weevils are also already moving around in the rice. In export, very specifically, customers want for the rice to be free from live or dead insects or weevils. So I want to show you that weevil today. I can find here one roaming around. Well, this is what somebody does not like to be in rice right now. So we'll have to fumigate the rice very properly, to keep weevils away. So otherwise it can, spread into the whole consignment of rice. Burdwan again, no other regions I think can also grow this kind of a rice. It's only a little bit part of UP and Burdwan region. Burdwan has around 800 rice mills, my friends. A lot of business happens from there, mostly for Swarna, IR64, and a small part of it is also Gobind Bhog rice. Very nice rice. You should try sometimes. Almost looks like a sushi rice, but not as fat as sushi rice, but very small grain. Burdwan, Kolkata is the place, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and share this information and knowledge with your friends. Thank you so much.